Hey, how are you all? Hope you're doing great today. So, together we will work on this problem. Here I go. A five-sided die with sides numbered 1 through 6 is rolled five times in a row. On each roll, the result was a 3. What is the probability of rolling a 3 on the next roll? And there are five possible alternatives. So let's work on this problem. Solution. Each time we roll the die, the number that will appear on the roll is an independent event, and will not be influenced by what we got in prior rolls, what we obtained in the prior rolls, in the prior rolls. I just wanted to tell you, please do not quit. I will give you some important tip at the end of this program. Also, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And I'll give you an important hint or tip at the end of this program. Now, since the die has six faces, with six numbers inscribed, with six numbers, comma, let me move this a little bit up. Probability of getting any number is 1. Each number appears once divided by 6. Okay, 1 out of 6. And since these are independent events, as I mentioned, so therefore the probability of getting uh, of obtaining a 6 or obtaining a 3 in the next row, a 3 in the next row will be 1 out of 6, because there are 6 faces and 3 appears only once, will be 1 out of 6. So this is our answer. So the correct answer is option A. Answer option A. Okay, so let me highlight that, and let me give you a tip that I mentioned I'll give you. The tip is that rolling of a die several times, each time what we get is an independent event. That means what we obtain in the past roll will not influence what we get in the second roll. Okay, So, and probability of each number occurring is 1 out of 6 because each number appears only once on each of the six faces. Only each number appears only once, and there are total number of six faces. So, probability of obtaining each number on a roll will be 1 out of 6. Hence, the probability of obtaining a 3 on the next roll will be 1 out of 6. Correct answer option is option A. I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. Please write me a note. I'd appreciate it how much you like my video, or if you want me to change my way of presentation, I will appreciate that. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you do not like my video, give me a thumbs down. I will learn from my mistake and improve on my next video. If you like my video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And please do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I'll be back with another important problem, important solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.